Let's make creamy and healthy avocado banana juice using simple ingredients. How is it? Delicious. To make this juice, we need sweet bananas, ripe avocado, and milk. First, cut the avocado, remove the seeds, scoop the avocado into a bowl. Avocado makes the juice creamy and nutritious. Next, peel the sweet bananas. Cut everything into small pieces so they blend easily. Add the avocado and banana pieces into the blender. Then add little water. Pour in the milk. Cover the blender and blend until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Next, add in sugar to balance the sweetness. Then blend again until everything mixes well. Now let us pour our juice into glass. This creamy avocado banana juice is refreshing, healthy, and perfect for any time, especially during Ramadan. Kindly try it out. So look how creamy it is. Very delicious. As my daughter confirms, listen. is it? Delicious. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share and subscribe for more authentic recipes from my kitchen to your kitchen. Bye bye. See you in the next one.